तो क्या हो, छोटा ही सही पर मैं भी एक बदलाव लाऊं तो क्या हो जो एक दिन मैं भी उड़ जाऊं तो। कुछ दूर उड़ के घर की चौखट पर वो पत्ता अब गिर गया था। थका हुआ सा लगता था, शायद अब हार गया था। हाँ, बात तो सही है। आखिर मेरे यूं उड़ जाने से, कुछ मनमर्जी का कर जाने से किसी को क्या ही फर्क पड़ जाएगा। एक छोटा सा पत्ता आखिर क्या ही बदल पाएगा, और एक छोटे से बदलाव से आखिर आखिर क्या ही बदल जाएगा। शायद तू भी उस पत्ते की तरह कुछ दूर उड़कर ही गिर जाएगा। शायद तू भी किसी के पांव तले रौंद दिया जाएगा। शायद उन जिम्मेदारियों की मोटी मोटी बूंदों में दबकर उड़ना ही भूल जाएगा। शायद तू फिर कभी नहीं उड़ पाएगा। कुछ दिन बीत गए, वो पत्ता वहीं जमीन पर पड़ा था। अपना कुछ हिस्सा अब वो खो चुका था। अपनी उस मासूमियत को बारिश में वो धो चुका था, और अपना सुंदर हरा रंग भी वो अब छोड़ चुका था। पर एक बात थी, उस पत्ते में अब भी एक अकड़ थी, एक सुकून था जो मानो मेरी आंखों में चमक रहा था। ऐसा लगा जैसे अपना मकसद वो पूरा कर चुका था। एक आहट सुनाई दी तो पीछे मुड़ के देखा। एक हवा का झोंका आ रहा था। उस झोंके पर सवार एक नई उम्मीद, एक नया जोश, एक नया हौसला लिए थे दो, तीन, चार, पांच नए पत्ते। वो छोटे से नाजुक से पत्ते जो फिर उड़ने निकल पड़े थे। समय के उस समुंदर में वो बहने निकल पड़े थे, जो अब जीने निकल पड़े थे। उन पत्तों को देख समझ आ गया, उन पत्तों को देख समझ आ गया। वो धरती पर पड़ा मुरझाया हुआ पत्ता साला खुद ना उड़ सका तो क्या, वो कईयों को उड़ना सिखा गया, वो कईयों को उड़ना सिखा गया। ओ यारा, तेरी हर हार में छुपी एक जीत है। तेरी हर हार में छुपी एक जीत है। तेरे हर कदम में उम्मीद, तेरी हर उड़ान में बदलाव की एक तस्वीर है, बदलाव की एक तस्वीर है। चलो थोड़ा उड़ कर देखते हैं अब, हम भी उड़ कर देखते हैं। जाने से पहले बस एक छोटी सी बात कहना चाहूंगा कि वो पत्ता, वो मुरझाया हुआ पत्ता पूरा कर गया अपना मकसद, उन पांच नए पत्तों को उड़ना सिखाकर। शायद मेरी इस कविता का भी पूरा कर दे मकसद कोई पांच उड़ते सपने। वो नाजुक से छोटे से सपने जो कहीं दब कर उड़ना भूल चुके थे, जो जिंदगी की इस ठंडी शाम में बहना भूल चुके थे। उड़ जाएं वो अब बिना कुछ सोचे, भिड़ जाएं वो भी इस दुनिया से, वो है सबसे हटके। चलो थोड़ा उड़कर देखते हैं अब, हम भी उड़कर देखते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay, wow. That was absolutely amazing, Vaibhav. ये हिंदी पोइट्री और शायरी की बात ही कुछ और होती है. It was so inspiring.
I completely agree with you. I am at a loss of words. It was too good.
Exactly. Okay, I would like to give the judges a couple of minutes to put down their scores.
Thank you. I was just going to say.
Yeah.
I think the YouTube comments have started pouring in already.
Definitely. I mean, after all these performances.
Yeah, and there are even more lined up. So.
Okay, so can we move on to our next performance? Great. So our next performer is someone whose voice and presence is going to charm everyone watching this today. So please give it up for Bhumesh Joshi. Bhumesh, the virtual stage is all yours.
Thank you, Vriddhi. Am I audible?
Yes, Bhumesh.
So, good evening, everyone. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. मेरा नाम भूमेश जोशी है and I'll be performing a song in front of you in the next few minutes. ये गाना ऐसा है कि मैंने करीब 10 साल पहले जब ये रिलीज हुआ था, सुना था, तब मैंने पता नहीं एक शेर लिखा था. मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक शेर मैं आपको पहले बताऊं, उसके बाद फिर वो गाने के साथ आते हैं, ठीक है? शेर कुछ ऐसा था कि यार, गहरी रात के अंधेरों में जब सब सो जाते हैं, गहरी रात के अंधेरों में जब सब सो जाते हैं, तुम जागी रहती हो, मेरे हाथ थामे रहती हो, गहरी रात के अंधेरों में जब सब सो जाते हैं, तुम जागी रहती हो, मेरे हाथ थामे रहती हो, मुझे तन्हाई में भी तन्हा नहीं रहने देती, न जाने क्यों उस चांद की चांदनी सी लगती हो। ये कुछ 2 शेर थे जो मैंने उस ज़माने में लिखे थे, क्योंकि एक चेहरा था जो मेरे सामने उस गाने को सुनकर आया, और मैं मानता हूँ कि हम लोगों ने वो गाना इतनी बार सुन लिया है, और बस मेरी ख्वाहिश ये है कि मैं जानता हूँ कि अभी हम ज़ूम के प्लेटफ़ॉर्म के माध्यम से अभी मैं गाना प्रस्तुत करूँगा, लेकिन जो भी जहाँ भी मुझे अभी सुन रहे हैं, कहीं पर भी कोशिश कीजिएगा कि इस गाने को भी अगर आप भी गुनगुना सकें, तो मज़ा ही आ जाएगा। वेल द सॉन्ग इज़ कॉल्ड तू जाने ना, आतिफ़ असलम साहब का गाना है, अजब प्रेम की कसम कहानी से। कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहें यारा, बता ना पाए, बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाएं, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, मिलके भी हम ना मिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के है फासले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने है सिलसिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने हैं पलकों तले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों, कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहें यारा, बता ना पाए, बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाएं, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। हाँ, निगाहों में देखो मेरी जो है बस गया, वो है मिलता तुमसे हूबहू, हो जाने तेरी आंखें थी या बातें थी वजह, हुए तुम जो दिल की आरज़ू, तुम पास हो के भी, तुम आस हो के भी, एहसास हो के भी, अपने नहीं ऐसे हैं हमको गिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों मीलों के है फासले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों अनजाने हैं सिलसिले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों सपने हैं पलकों तले, तुमसे न जाने क्यों, कैसे बताएं क्यों तुझको चाहें यारा, बता ना पाए, बातें दिलों की देखो जो बाकी आंखें तुझे समझाएं, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना, तू जाने ना। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Very nice, Bhumesh. Love that आप हँसते-हँसते गाते हो। आपको
थैंक यू
देख
वेरी
के
मच
मज़ा
मैम।
आया क्योंकि
थैंक यू
आपको
मैम।
मज़ा आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल मैम, गाने में मजा नहीं है तो मजा नहीं आता ना।
That was a breathtaking performance from Bhomesh. I am sure Nikita ma'am must already be thinking of taking Bhomesh on her tours already. So the mic drop grand finale has indeed begun. And we now have our next performer, Raghav, who will be performing a poem for us. And of course, it will make us all think very deeply. So Raghav, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Vamsi. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
So, good evening, everyone. And thank you, team, also for organizing this session. And thank you to our judges for taking out the time. The poem I'm going to present today, I wrote it when I was just about to start my MBA, and I was, spending some time with my friends. I hope it reminds you of your friends too. So, and some nostalgia as well. So here it is. शायद मैंने कभी बचपन खोया ही नहीं था, शायद मैंने कभी बचपन खोया ही नहीं था, बस कुछ मायने बदल गए थे। ये स्कूल की इमारत न जाने कितनी अजीब थी, इसको देख लगता था न जाने कितना वक्त बीत गया है। ये विज्ञान के उस नियम की तरह प्रतीत होती थी जहां दो गाड़ियां उल्टी जाती और तेज लगती थी। शायद मैं कुछ ज्यादा ही आगे बढ़ रहा था। कभी तो बस खेलने की खुशी ही बहुत थी, पर आज ये छोटी सी हार कमजोर कर देती थी। कभी टिफिन में रोटी छोड़ कुछ अलग चाहता था, और आज मेन्यू में सब कुछ देख भी एक रोटी को ढूंढता था। स्टेज पर खड़े लगता था मानो जीत लिया था सब कुछ, स्टेज पर खड़े लगता था मानो जीत लिया था सब कुछ, और आज जीत कर भी लगता था कि रह गया था कुछ। कभी जिम्मेवारियों को लेने के लिए लड़ते थे, और आज उनसे ही लड़ रहे थे। कल तक जहां बैठ मैं कविताओं को समझता था, आज अपने आप को उन शब्दों की स्याही से उतार रहा था। शायद ये कीमत कुछ ज्यादा थी, शायद ये कीमत कुछ ज्यादा थी, पर ये जानने के लिए अब बहुत देर हो चुकी थी। वो वक्त जब खुशी मुफ्त की थी, वो समस्या कहीं दूर खड़ी थी। जब दोस्ती एक रिश्ता होता था और समझौता सिर्फ एक टॉफी के लिए हो जाया करता था। पर इस जवानी का दस्तूर तो कुछ और ही था, पर इस जवानी का दस्तूर तो कुछ और ही था। ये इंसान अपने अंदर शांति खोजता था, पर यूं बाहर शोर में छुपता था। शराब को न जाने क्यों वो अपना सहारा बना लेता है, और कहीं तो ये दो दिलों को मिलाने की ताकत रखता है, और वहीं एक बेटे को उसके बाप के खिलाफ जाने का हौसला भी देता है। ये सिगरेट के धुएं का करामात भी क्या अजीब है, जो इंसान को अपनी फिक्रों को उड़ाने में मदद करता है। क्या इतना खो चुके हैं हम खुद को, जो जरूरत है हमें सहारे की हर मोड़ पे बाहर निकलने को। नहीं 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 है ये वो जीवन जो इंसान चाहता है, ये तो बस हमें मजबूर बनाता है। क्योंकि नशा करना है तो सफलताओं का करो, शराबों में क्या रखा है, और जीना है तो अपनों के साथ जियो, धुओं में क्या रखा है। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
राघव, बचपन से जवानी का दस्तूर. That, I mean, I'm sure all of us could relate to it so well. And that play of words just blew me away. Okay, so it is time that we move on to our next performer, who is ready to set the stage on fire with his musical talent. Please welcome Ajay.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Myself Ajay Matkar. I am from Maharashtra itself, and currently I am pursuing MBA from IIM Sambalpur. So जो आज मैं गाने जा रहा हूँ वो है फिलहाल 2. So you guys like it. Ra 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 ra. Ra 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 ra. एक बात बताओ तो यादों में मरते हो, क्या तुम हमसे अब भी मोहब्बत करते हो? एक बात बताओ तो यादों में मरते हो, क्या तुम हमसे अब भी मोहब्बत करते हो? तुम जिनके हो अभी उनके बारे बताना, क्या आता है उनको तुम्हें चुप कराना? तुम जिनके हो अभी उनके बारे बताना, क्या आता है उनको तुम्हें चुप कराना? जाने ने रो रो के समंदर भर दिए, रो रो के नदियाँ भरते हो, रा 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 रा, हो हो कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं, ओ कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं, मैं किसी और का हो फिलहाल, मैं किसी और का हो फिलहाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं, मैं किसी और का हो, रा 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 रा, ओ ओ रा 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 रा, ओ ओ, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
Wow, that was a magnificent performance. I am literally blown away. Vriddhi?
Me too. In fact, I'm pretty sure that all the night owls at the SPJIMR Lake are going to love to listen to this on repeat.
I can agree to that.
Thank you.
We are now halfway through mic drop and time is literally flying. Next up, we have Komal, who will be reciting a poem and taking us on a ride. Komal, the stage is all yours.
Good evening, everyone. This is Komal Prabhakar from Jammu and Kashmir. So I'm here with my piece of poetry. तो इन प्यार का पंचनामा तो सबने देखी ही होगी, और अगर ना भी देखी हो तो हर किसी की लाइफ में प्यार की कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल ही रही होती है. पर आज मैं प्यार का पंचनामा नहीं, इंसानियत का पंचनामा लेके आई हूँ, जो कुछ इस तरह है. किसी को कहते हुए सुना, किसी के लिए मर मिटना बेहद खूबसूरत एहसास है. अभी पलट कर मेरी नजरों ने उसके बेवकूफी भरे इस तर्क पे अपने दिल से सलाह परामर्श करना शुरू किया ही था कि जुबान बावक्ता बोल उठी. खूबसूरती मरने में नहीं, कि खूबसूरती मरने में नहीं, बल्कि यमराज चौखट पर टकटकी लगाए बैठे हो और तुम अपने अजीज को और कस के थाम लो. यार ये एहसास कुछ खास है. अरे मेरे यार, मेरी बात सुनते जाओ जरा सी, बचकानी ही सही पर तुम्हें इंसानियत वजूद से जो रूबरू करवा दे उस एहसास की. कभी कहे बिना किसी को सुनना, कभी बोले बिना किसी को मनाना, कभी वो अनजाना जो साइकिल के पैडल मारता हुआ जिंदगी चला रहा हो अपनी, उसे अपनी बड़ी सी गाड़ी से उसके पते तक पहुंचाना. कभी किसी के आंसू बहाए बिना उसे गले से लगाना. कभी मन नहीं है माँ कह के खाना छोड़ देना. कभी उसी खाने को मन कर रहा है माँ उस शख्स तक पहुंचा देना. कभी महंगी दुकानों का सस्ती दिखने वाला कपड़ा खरीद लेना. कभी सस्ते दिखने वाली उस बुजुर्ग के ठेले पर महंगे सौदे कर लेना. कभी अपनी ना सुना के किसी की चुप्पी पढ़ लेना. कभी 2 गालियां देके उस निकम्मे यार को प्यार के धोखे से वापस ले आना. हम मानता हूँ छोटा मुंह और बड़ी बात कर दी है दोस्त, पर आज मेरी खातिर ही सही पर मेरी बातें बर्दाश्त कर जाना. यूं समझ लेना मैं फकीर सा बंदा हूँ पर उम्मीदें अंबानी सी रखता हूँ. कोई दानवीर करण सा कठिन शख्स सरलता से अभिमानी दुर्योधन के हाथों नीलाम ना हो जाए, इसलिए हर इंसान को परखा करता हूँ. जज्बाती अक्सर सब हुआ करते हैं, कि जज्बाती अक्सर सब हुआ करते हैं, पर दौर दिमाग वालों का है. यूं ही नहीं प्रहलाद हिरण्यकश्यप के घर पैदा हुए, ये खेल हुजूरे वाला बहुत सालों का है. सुनाई दिया क्या? शोर है किसी की टकरार का. अरे और कोई नहीं, दिमाग वालों के मुंह और जज्बात वालों के प्यार का. ये सुन, उसने कहा दोनों एक ही तो है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? उसकी नासमझ को मेरी समझ ने आहिस्ता से कहा. मोह बांटता है, प्यार बंधता है. मोह के शब्दकोश में मैं के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं. प्यार की शब्दावली में मैं नाम की जगह ही नहीं. हम बिस्तर नहीं, हम सफर हो तो बात है. जिस्म के आगे कुछ भी नहीं, मतलबी वो रात है. मुझे ना पता कि मरने के वादे सच्चे होते हैं या झूठे, पर जनाजा उठने के बाद वो हमदर्दी ना चाहिए तुमसे। लोग झूठे ही सही सारी जिंदगी, मगर शमशान पहुंचने तक राम नाम सत्य हो ही जाता है। खरीदना चाहो जो रब को तो ये सौदा महंगा पड़ ही जाता है। मजदूरी कहो या मजबूरी ही, मजदूरी कहो या मजबूरी ही, इन बच्चों के पेट पलते हैं, इसकी वजह है उस रखेल की जी हुजूरी ही। किसी ने बताया नहीं आज तक कि यशोदा बनने के लिए रोज बिस्तर पर निर्भया बनना पड़ता है। जेब खाली है फिर भी मुस्कुरा रहे हो, किसी कृष्ण का महल भरने के लिए तुम्हें क्यों सुदामा बनना पड़ता है। आज किसी की मदद करने दानवीर करण आएंगे नहीं, तो क्यों ना इंसानियत धर्म निभा ले हम खुद ही। शुक्रिया।
ओके, इतने गहरे शब्दों के पास आई थिंक मेरे पास तो शब्द नहीं बचे, but this was so beautiful, so expressive, and right for all the women out here. Agree, Vamsi?
Yes, indeed it was.
So now I think I'd like to give the judges a couple of minutes again to gather their thoughts and fill up the scores.
So Vriddhi, what do you think the next performance will be? Do you want to take a guess? So would it be a poem? Would it be a song?
So we had a poem and then a song and then a poem and then a song. And I think in that order, next should be another song.
Indeed, you're right. Yeah. So next would be another song. So we have Rishika, who's ready to captivate us all with her melodious voice. Rishika, the stage is all yours.
Hello everyone. My name is Rishika Verma. I am a second year student at Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. I'm going to sing Teri Diwani, which is personally my favorite song. I hope you like it. प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाओ अपने पिया को, के मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध नाय रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहरे रस्ते रब खोले, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, यही रब दी मर्जी है, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, रब दी मर्जी है, तेरे बिन जीना कैसा, हाँ खुद गर्जी है, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, हो जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी. Thank you.
Rishika, I have a small story for you. This was also the song that I sang to audition for my college band and also to get out of ragging in college. So always a pleasure to listen to this song, and you sang it very sweetly.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
That was amazing, Rishika. That was a great performance. Vriddhi?
How much talent do we really have in here, huh?
I know, right? And it is about to get even better as we have Sudarshan coming up next. So his sense of dark humor and witty sarcasm is going to leave us all rolling on the floor laughing. So Sudarshan, the stage is all yours.
Thank you for that generous introduction, Vamsidharan. Judges, if you didn't figure it out by now, we are from the same college, SPJMR. And yeah, so I hope I am audible and visible. Sorry for your loss. So with that, I'll start. So I was really concerned about these finals being online over Zoom, because on stage, I get a few laughs from people physically, but on Zoom, I guess it's difficult because I'm not remotely funny. So there's that. I'm not sure how that joke landed. I hope it didn't land poorly like those two planes on 9/11. But yeah, so one advantage is that you can't see my leg shaking. So it's not out of nervousness. It's just it's a bad habit I have. And my grandmother used to hate it. So she was a very superstitious lady, and she had a couple of superstitions. She had many actually, but ये दो बहुत उनको चुभता था कि leg shaking. So she used to say that ऐसे पाँव हिलाते जाओगे तो घर में कोई मर जाएगा. And the other one was that if a crow shits on you, then you're going to have a very lucky day, a very something good is auspicious is going to happen that day. So I never believed her. I told क्या बुढ़िया कुछ भी बोलती है, एकदम पागल टाइम पास कर रही है मेरे साथ. All that I didn't believe her. I never believed her. And then one day I had to believe her because she died, and which in itself is unremarkable. She was 75. You know, it happens. But a crow also shat on me that day. So yeah, I had to kind of go with her that day. But it's all jokes. I really liked my grandmother. She used to give me a lot of content even from the days of my childhood. So we are a Tamil family, but we live in Kolkata. So my grandmother moved in her mid-20s, not very formally educated, so she could speak Tamil mostly and broken Hindi, Bengali. But she was better culturally assimilated than the IT crowd of Bangalore. So credit where credit is due, hai na? So she used to speak broken Hindi, Bengali, and all. And so I had this friend with whom Marwadi friend. So we used to speak in Hindi only. So ऐसे वो आया football खेलने. I told रुक जा बैठ जा मैं mood होके आता हूँ. So this is way back when I was 13, 14, something like that. So he sits and I come out and my grandmother is talking to him and she's talking the normal things which adults do ना कि कैसा है बेटा, क्या कर रहा है, पढ़ाई कैसा चल रहा है. He is also हाँ ठीक, he is also lying हाँ पढ़ाई अच्छा चल रहा है. All these things he's saying. And so she asks him तुम्हारा दादा कैसा है. So by dada she means elder brother, the Bengali dada. So she means dada and he is thinking dadaji, paternal grandfather. And his dadaji had been dead for 10 years. So this is a recurring bit in all my sketches, lot of dead grandparents. So he's like अब उसको बताना है कि उसके दादाजी मर गए, but he has to do it in a diplomatic way. So that is nothing a 14-year-old knows about. So he's like दादाजी का तो मृत्यु हो गया. And my grandmother, neither could she hear him nor could she understand the word mrityu. So she's like हैं. So my friend took it up as a challenge to demonstrate his Hindi skills. So then after mrityu, he's like वो गुजर गए, वो चल बसे. now my grandmother is getting irritated. She's looking at me saying, "तुम प्रेमचंद वेमचंद लोग को क्यों घर लाता है?" I told, I also was confused, but I wanted to see where this debauchery ends. So I just let him go on, and he just picked up steam, and he's like, yeah, अरे वो उनको हम श्रद्धांजलि दे दिए, वो वीर गति प्राप्त कर गए, वो शहीद हो गए. I told, relax man, your grandfather wasn't a freedom fighter, he didn't get वीर गति. And but my grandmother is getting irritated, and she's not able to understand. And then finally my friend also snaps, and he says, सुनिए दादाजी मर गए, निपट गए, सलट गए, ऑफ हो गए, घर में अस्थि पड़ा है, चाहिए तो ला के दिखा देता हूँ. And it is at this point that I had to intervene, and I had to tell my grandmother that, see, his brother is well and alive, he's fine, he's working. It is this grandfather that he mistook for, and because of that, you know, he has passed away. So my grandmother gets very annoyed, looks at my friend and tells him, तुम भी साला बेकार में पाव हिलाता होगा घर में. And yeah, so with that, this is my small comedy bit, which I do, which I wanted to do. But this is just one of my recourses to social interaction. I also enjoy writing, and it would be a waste of my marketing degree if I did not leverage this this stage to just speak briefly about a couple of stanzas of mine. And since so many people sang about love and sab pyar mein hai, so my poem is about existential dread and depression. So I'll just give a couple of stanzas and I'll just take my leave. So I stare listlessly at the night sky, alone and free but never truly, trapped in the prison of my thoughts, consumed by the poison that my mind secretes, drenched in Camus, Schopenhauer and Nietzsche. My dry humor is not a byproduct of my sharp wit. It is a deafening cry for help echoing in the abyss that beckons me to let me be consumed. Perhaps only then, in oblivion, will I find bliss. Thank you, judges. Thank you, Ojas, and thank you, SPJMR, for this opportunity. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Sudarshan. Thank you for lightening up the mood for all of us. I wouldn't be surprised actually if I find myself paying for a ticket at Canvas Love Club to watch this a couple of years down the line, isn't it?
Yes, Riddhi, and I think you just gave Sudarshan an alternate career idea. So we can actually find him in a couple of years down the line.
Sure. So next up, we have Kumari Khushbu, who will be enthralling us with her singing talent.
The stage is all yours, Kumari. Yeah.
Khushbu, I don't think you're audible.
Hello. Now am I audible?
Yes. Yes. Perfect.
Okay. Hi everyone. This is Khushbu.
Hi Khushbu, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Hi. Sorry. This is Khushbu, and I'm really honored to perform in front of such amazing judges. And today I'll be singing Perfect by Ed Sheeran, which is a song to your loved one and basically a confession. So I hope you all enjoy it. Ooh, 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 ooh. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Oh, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I know you'll feel alright this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. I know you'll be alright this time, baby. Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked the mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. Oh, but I found a girl to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids when we so in love, fighting against all love. I see my future in your eyes. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the ground, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Thank you.
Very nice, Kumari. I really enjoyed your performance.
Thank you.
Wow, that was indeed mellifluous, isn't it, Vriddhi?
Ramsey, I think you just ran out of synonyms for melodious. But
You caught me there. I mean, these performances are so wonderful that I had to Google, and we have Zoom, so I have an advantage there. So, and I have to continue Googling because next up we have Simran Arora who will be enchanting us with another song. Simran, the virtual stage is all yours.
Hi, hello, am I audible?
yes, you are.
Hi, so I'm Simran from Delhi. I'm in IGDTU college, and today I'll be singing Tere Naam from the movie Tere Naam. And as I see, a lot of people here are love struck or either love struck or hopeless romantics. So here's another one for you. Here goes. मर के भी ना वादा अपना तोड़ेंगे, एक दूजे का साथ कभी ना छोड़ेंगे, अपना तो सदियों जन्मों का नाता है, जान से जान को कौन जुदा कर पाता है, तेरे सिवा तेरे सिवा तेरे सिवा इस दरिया का नहीं कोई किनारा सनम, हो नहीं कोई किनारा सनम, तेरे नाम हमने किया है जीवन अपना सारा सनम, हो जीवन अपना सारा सनम, तेरे इश्क ने साथिया मेरा हाल क्या कर दिया, तेरे इश्क ने साथिया मेरा हाल क्या कर दिया, नैनों से बहते अश्कों के धारों में हमने तुमको देखा चांद सितारों में, बिरहा की अग्नि में पल पल तपते हैं, अब तो सांसें तेरी माला जपते हैं, तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना इस दुनिया का नहीं कोई सितारा सनम, हो नहीं कोई सितारा सनम। थैंक यू।
Awesome. Thank you, Simran.
That was amazing. And I think after the past two songs, almost everybody is going to be thinking about their special someone here. All the performances were absolutely brilliant. Am I right, Vamsi?
I am literally at a loss of words, baby. Give me some time to Google.
I'm so sure everyone here has had such a wonderful time. And with that, we come to the end of all our performances. Now it is time for our judges to take the hot seat and decide the national winners for Mic Drop.
I request the team to add the judges into the breakout room.
Guys, just excuse us 1 second. We'll be sending you to the breakout room shortly.
No virtual event is ever going to be complete without a technical glitch. So okay, so
All right. So while the judges are busy, judging or evaluating all the performances, we'll be quickly showcasing one of the theme launches for Roger's 14 video. So buckle up.
All right, so that was the theme launch video of OJ's 14th edition. And before we head on to the actual judgment criteria, and why the judges are busy evaluating the performances, just wanted to take a minute to thank you all for taking part in this competition. It was not at all easy to judge any of your performances because we had a lot of entries that came in. If you see the official registrations, we had around 128 registrations in plus, and some of them coming offline. So it was not at all easy. So congratulations to all of you who are already a part of the top 10 in the national list at the moment. It was not. It's not a small feat. That's basically what I wanted to convey to you all. And apart from that, do visit our website on Dare to Compete to, if you are all interested in the case study competitions that we have curated for you all. I'm sure all of us are culturally oriented, which is why we are all gathered over here. But if you all wish to also explore the other side, do take a check out at our website. And do feel free to tell your friends about your experience within this event that we have had. We'll be having this event every year. It's one of our flagship events where we try to exhibit a platform for all of you to showcase a vocal prowess, because mic drops are not that common on such a platform. Like, usually it's either a singing competition or a dance competition, but where what we wanted to achieve was just to showcase a platform where not just singing, but even comedy, stand-up comedy, or a monologue, or shairi to be exhibited in such a performance at such a stage. And we are glad we've been able to do that. The pool of entries had all sorts of genres and everything. So thank you. I mean, more than the event, it is all you guys that make the event what it is. Just wanted to say that. I think the judges will be joining us very soon. Just do give us 2 more moments before we confirm the same. And all the best to the winners.
So I guess we have the judges back in our main room. I'm sure it would have been a really long 2 minutes, as every performance was just as amazing.
Completely agree, Vriddhi. So I'm sure both of them would have had to make really, really tough decisions. And before we hear the winner of Mic Drop, we'd like Shreya ma'am and Nikita ma'am to say a few words about the performances so far.
Okay. So first and foremost, I mean, I would begin by extending a heartfelt congratulations to the team of Otis and SPJIML, because I completely understand that organizing a virtual event is not easy at all, no matter how much we say that the pandemic has made us well versed with technology. So kudos to that end. Also, congratulations to all the finalists. We can very well see the amount of hard work that was put into it by each and every one of you, and to qualify and come to the finals, that to the national level itself, is a big deal. So heartiest congratulations to everyone. I just had a few pointers that I observed. So there's one thing, like if you even read the rules of the program or of the event, it says that they had 5 minutes to speak. So whereas we had certain contestants and finalists who did not even utilize that 5 minute properly. So it's just my personal observation that in events which are time barred, utilizing time to your advantage can be a big game changer. Giving a nice intro and ending it nicely is certainly something that to me catches brownie points. There were certain people that I noted did exceed the time limit as well. So that is where I think something could be judged upon. Secondly, of course, there was a variety of content, that it was not only, singing, but it was also people who have written up stuff. So that also kind of makes a difference. By and large, everyone was extremely fluent, enthusiastic. I think everyone was putting in their best game forward, and it definitely was a very, very close call. But once again, I mean, congratulations to each and every one. It's just the start, and have fun, guys. And have a great day. Over to you, Nikita.
Hi, sorry. I'm in a hotel room about to go for a show. So I'm like really timing my moments on this, but yeah, but you had my full attention. And Shreya, by the way, you speak so wonderfully. I think you covered yeah, you covered very beautifully most of what I wanted to say as well, which is that, in a competition, like it's so important. The presentation, I think, is part and parcel of the competition, not just the content. And some people, like you said, did utilize their time well, and some people didn't, and that's something to note. Yeah, and it was very heartbreaking if somebody did something interesting and then just kind of finished it in like 2 minutes, like a minute, and then I was like, oh, you had so much time, you could have proved your point 5 times. But yeah, but it was very interesting for me also to judge music and poetry and elocution and all of it together, because I've never really done that before. Or it made it like, it was a different way of, I think, approaching talent and content, and just having something to say, whether it's through music or words. But yeah, I'm very happy to be here, and there were a lot of interesting, wonderful, creative things that we heard tonight. And should we just get to the, like, are we going to drum roll this a lot, or?
Actually, ma'am, I think Vamsi forgot the most important part. On behalf of everyone here and everyone watching this live on YouTube or in the live screening room, I would like to request you to sing a few lines from our evergreen favorite song, Rabta. So please, if you could.
Sure. All right. मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया, तेरा नजारा मिला, रोशन सितारा मिला, तकदीर का जैसे कोई इशारा मिला, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, क्यों है ये, कैसे है ये, तू बता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता. Thank you so much.
I'm sure I think nobody wants to comment after this. If this was happening live, I think the entire audience would have been giving a standing ovation and screaming once more.
I miss being live in college, especially. I miss that so much. Please have your fest fast, and please call me. And I mean, I know we all should be precautious right now, but I can't wait to be on a stage and sing for people, especially like college going kids, because you guys are like so much fun to perform for.
We'd love to, ma'am. I think now we can actually move on to the results.
I think Shreya seems like she knows what needs to be. She's so sorted in her comments, and you guys, all of you guys who are watching this live stream, I've also taken the effort to fill up scores, but she shared her score sheet and it was very professional. So I think she should be the one to announce the winner.
Okay. So I mean, as we previously both Nikita and I mentioned that it was really a close call and we've judged it on all parameters. So yes, I mean, I will begin with announcing the runner-up for our fest today. And the runner-up is Kumari Khushbu. I mean, and Nikita ma'am just like expressed her entire adulation for you while while you finished singing. I mean, it was a beautifully sung song, and I would definitely it's my personal favorite, and it did remind us of our special one. So yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot. I can't believe this. Thank you so much.
You were very poised, very beautifully. You sang, and there were no wrong words.
Congratulations, Kumari.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And so we do have our winner as well, and the winner for the mic drop event goes to Vaibhav Madhani. Congratulations, Vaibhav.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Nikita ma'am, Shreya ma'am, OJ's team.
Congrats, Vaibhav. It was very beautiful, very well written, expressed, and it was really nice to hear what you had to say and how you said it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I mean, these things give a good push and good motivation to you, because when you write, you don't know how you are writing. अच्छा है या नहीं है, मतलब कोई platform नहीं मिलता, so you don't know that whether it's actually working or not. So it was a very good start, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, and to even all the other participants, you all were very good. So keep up and keep doing better and better with each fest.
And so with that, we come to the end of mic drop. I hope everyone had a great experience. Nikita ma'am, Shreya ma'am, if we can take a virtual photograph, which is a screenshot, obviously, it would be helpful for us to promote everything. So, team.
I request all present over here to switch on your cameras.
Yeah. So everyone, please switch on your cameras.
I can't tell when you guys are taking the picture.
I think it's done. So
now my face is going to be like.
I think once again, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you all for joining us today and being such a wonderful audience. Hope you all had a great experience. Thank you, Shreya ma'am, and thank you, Nikita ma'am, for joining us today and actually taking time out from your busy schedules. I really hope you enjoyed all the performances, and I really hope you felt a little nostalgic about all, your college days and your college events. Have a lovely rest of the day, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.